Hello dear readers and subscribers. By the time this video will go live, I'm in the south of France enjoying a well-deserved break and some well-needed family time. However, make no mistake, we already have a video planned for next week, yet in this video I have a request for you. I have published over 200 videos on this channel so far, and a multitude of that number in article form on contemporaryartissue.com. And whereas I still have a rather lengthy to-do list, I would like to use this video to ask you directly, which topics would you like me to cover in the foreseeable future? This can be top lists focusing on a specific medium or nationality or a specific generation or a combination of both, and also of course for the Advice for Artists series. Which questions, challenges or hurdles do you have or face as an artist? And in what way can I help you by informing you on these matters? So write all your topic requests down in the comment section below. Also make sure to have a look at the requests by others. For instance, if you have a particular request but you already see it in the comments, you can simply like that one so I can see how many people are interested in that particular topic. Or if it's not in the comment section just yet, you can simply write your own suggestion. I very much look forward to reading these suggestions and even more to do the research to answer them adequately. That being said, I warmly invite you to visit contemporaryartissue.com for other features, articles, but also free resources for artists, for advice for artists. And we'll see each other once more in 7 days for another video as the publishing schedule simply continues. Thank you so much for watching. Feel free to watch our video on why most artists struggle next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing for more contemporary art. Bye.